Hi, Math 141 students. It's Gina, Miss Gina. I am in my house. As you can see, I've got all kinds of crazy soccer stuff in the background there. And this is going to be our new normal. So hopefully you will all be safe and healthy. And I just wanted to get you acclimated with a couple changes that I've made to our Canvas site so that you'll be up and ready to go on Monday morning. So I have our Canvas site open. The first change that I made was I added in the discussions tab so that we can stay connected with one another. And if you have questions that you want answered and I'm not available, you can set up a discussion there. I started one for us to maybe consider how are we feeling about going online. Feel free to post things and respond to one another. Another thing that I've changed is I added in quizzes. Since we won't be able to meet daily, I will have a daily quiz that will be due in the first 15 minutes of our regular class time. And once you go on there, you'll see all the instructions. I'll do an example of that in just a second. And then another important aspect is NetTutor, which some of you may have taken advantage of already. That's the online tutoring that's available 24 hours a day, and so that's a good thing to take advantage of as well. I've made some updates to our homepage with a link to my Zoom room, which is where you can get in touch with me face-to-face. I will have virtual office hours during our regular class time on Mondays and Wednesdays. You can make an appointment for times outside of that as well, but if you have questions that you want answered, that's the best place for you to get in touch with me. That's a way that I can show you work on a whiteboard. You can show me a picture of the work that you're doing, and we can still interact the way that we have been during class. All right, the last thing that I wanted to show you is just really quickly the equation editor that shows up in some of the online quizzing that will be taking place. So I'm going to go to a different Canvas site that I had so I don't mess up ours. I have one that's just a sample over here. I have a dummy quiz that I've set up. This is kind of similar to what you will see. And I'm going to just preview this quiz, which will show you what it'll look like on your end. I put one question in this, solve the equation, and I've got that setting here. So this is what it would look like for you. And when you go to type in your answer, you want to look at this math equation editor. The answer to this should be plus or minus the square root of 3. And this will allow you to grab the plus or minus symbol, similar to what you've seen in my math lab, and then also a square root symbol like that. And once you insert your answer, you can hit submit quiz, and then I'll be able to grade it. All right, if you have questions along the way, please feel free to reach out via email or start a group discussion, because I think other people will probably have those same questions. And stay safe, wash your hands, and I look forward to seeing you in my Zoom room. Have a good day.